Hello there, Miguel Martinez Juarez here, and welcome. So I'm in my truck right now. I'm finally getting back into creating these videos. I want to share this because it's changed my life dramatically, and I know it will with yours as well in a good way. Okay. Today I want to talk about how specific feelings will get you what you want, right? What you want to manifest. Recently, I manifested my kitten. Okay, I got a kitten. I'm gonna put the photo on the thumbnail. So if you clicked on this, you saw the thumbnail. Okay, and that's my kitten. Okay. Now, I got a picture of a kitten on Google, right? Black and white, blue eyes. And I would picture myself like holding its paws and like feeling the claws, feeling its little nails, right? Its little claws. And I would do that. I think I did that for a few weeks. I forgot like how long I was doing it, but I did it because, you know, animals bring happiness. You know, when you're happy, you manifest things more, you know, right? Faster. You manifest things faster because you're in a positive vibration, right? Just like gratitude. When you're grateful for something, you're grateful to the thing that you have or the person. You're grateful for it, and you know that God is in everything. Spirit is in everything. So you're being grateful to God, and God just gives you more, right? When you say thank you to somebody, they want to give you more because they feel appreciated. Okay, now this week, my sister told me as I was visiting my sister and my parents, oh, my friend is giving away kittens. Do you want one? I was like, yeah. I put that on my vision board recently, and there she's like, no, she didn't say anything, right? She didn't say anything like oh, a vision board, no, but for some reason I thought about that, but no. She actually had a good reaction to it. I'll show you now. She said, oh yeah, here's the kitten, right? Here's the kitten that it's the last one, right? Because she said, I already picked the one that I wanted, so you have the last one now. And I looked at it, and it was just like the one on my vision board. And I said, look, that's the one that I want. Actually, I have a photo of the cat in my vision board, and I showed it to her, and she's like, she got the chills. She said, oh, I just got the chills. And I told her, me too. I got the chills too. And yeah, but the way I did it is because I had a vision board. I had the picture of the kitten, so I had a clear image, and I would feel the kitten's little paws, little nails. I would feel them, and as I closed my eyes and visualized, right, I would feel them, and I was like, yes, thank you, God, it's my cat, right? And then the opportunity came. I had to go. I had to talk to the person, right? I had to talk to the owner of the kitten and tell her that I was going, you know, setting the intention. All right, despite not having the kitten food, all that stuff. Okay, that comes later. You figure that out. You have to be committed to it. You have to say, yes, I'm doing it. Yes, I'm doing it. Yes, that cat is mine. I'm going to pick it up, right? Without fear and hesitations and things like that. Sometimes it's better just keep things to yourself because people might project their limitations on you, and they might impact you, they might not. Okay, but always stay in a positive vibration. Ask, this is good because, right? In those types of situations, okay? So you stay non-resistant. You're not feeling negative and things like that, okay? Things come into your life when you're in a positive vibration at all times, or at most of the times, okay? Okay, good thoughts, good feelings, good results. You can't get bad thoughts, bad feelings, and expect good results, okay? So this is how you can manifest, okay? Actually, with this truck, I have a Chevy Avalanche. I would feel the wheel, like as I'm doing right now. I would see the inside of the vehicle using my vision board. I have a Word document where I put the photos on there. Okay, a Word doc. I just put the photos in there, and I touch it and I feel it. It's specific to it, right? It's a specific truck. It's not just any truck, and a specific color. And I would just let it go. I'll release it. Just continue working, right? Just continue working with the work that I'm doing, my coaching, right, or the sales that I'm doing. You know, I'll stay focused. I wouldn't think about it of wanting it. I just let it go, release it like it's mine. Okay, thank you, God, I got it. Let it go. Okay. I think why people don't manifest things is because they focus on it too much. Like they don't have it. Like, oh my God, I want it. Like, I want it. Just gotta let it go. Okay, now let me just drink my water. Let me just go work out. And then somebody's gonna come up and be like, hey, by any chance, are you open to looking at this? Or having this or buying this, and it's something that you wanted, all right? That's how it happens. That's how it happens, okay? And yeah, so this is what I wanted to share with you all, okay? So I hope you like this one, and if you have any questions, just comment below. I'm gonna create a new Facebook group. I think I already have the Facebook group, but I'm gonna call it Consciousness Empowerment, okay? Consciousness Empowerment, where we can talk about manifestation techniques and materials that you want to share that are really helpful, okay? Because I study every single day, and I want to share those like quotes, books that I'm reading that will really help you out, okay? And some of my books too. I'll share my books there too, because I've written books on this too. That's how I have an understanding and I apply it, okay? All right, until next time, I hope you like this one, and go and feel the specific feelings of what you want to manifest and release it and give thanks for it, because you already have it, okay? Because you already have it in the invisible, in the spirit realm. It's just by giving thanks, having faith, it drops into the physical, okay? But it's all connected. It's all connected. There's no separation. Everything's connected, okay? All right, find that specific feeling. Like a cat, only a cat you can feel its claws, right? A little kitten claws and feeling them, right? And only Black Chevy Avalanche has its certain types of feels and looks on it, right? Okay, do that. All right, and to your success. Peace.